everyone, today I'm going to be working outside for a little bit. I'm going to be sanding down a desk that I'm flipping for Greta. Greta is my oldest daughter and she will be homeschooling for her 3rd grade. And I had originally set up an area for her with a desk that was pretty basic, and Greta needs something better than basic. So I actually did some research and some searching and decided that I wanted to go with an antique desk and I wanted it to have a certain look. And that's what I will be working today. So yeah, let's get started. That I'm going to sand it all. The top I'm just gonna leave raw wood, and for the bottom part of the desk I'm actually just gonna try to get as much as the paint that it already has off, and I'm going to be painting that. I still haven't decided on the color yet, but I do need to decide here within the next couple of hours if I want to get it today. I don't like sanding, so that's not gonna be fun. I love painting, but I come from a family of painters. My grandpa was a painter and my dad is a painter, and I just liked painting for fun. But the desk is also missing one drawer, and my dad is going to be making it because I'm not very good in that area. But yeah, let's get the sanding started. I am already sweating, so yeah, this is just not gonna be fun. But I'm excited to see this baby just naked. Okay, I'm just gonna get started. Update. I started sanding the top and I'm not using the correct sandpaper. I didn't think that I was gonna need that rough of a sandpaper, so I got I didn't get it. I borrowed it from my dad. I got some sandpaper, but it's not strong enough, so it's going super slow, and it's more for smoothing than gripping things out. And this table has like 2 layers of paint. No, wait. Yeah, 2 layers of paint on the top and 1 at the bottom. So with that being said, it's taken me ages to just sand down an edge of it or a corner of it, and it is, this is gonna take forever. So let me show you guys what I did accomplish, which was nothing, and that was in like probably 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go get some sandpaper and then continue with the project. But here's what I have so far. That was 30 minutes of work. Yeah. I'm not very good at this. So I'm back from my supply run, and my mother-in-law actually gave me this. So it looks like it's a paint stripper, and it's called Stripper, America's #1 stripper brand. So I think I'm gonna use this just because I don't want to sand for too long, and I hate sanding. So it works in less than 15 minutes. That's excellent. Convenient, excellent for smaller projects, perfect. Strongest, cut through multiple layers of any finish. Yep, we've got multiple. So I'm gonna be using this, and then I'm gonna be sanding after I use this. While this is sitting, I actually have to go inside, pick out paint, call my paint in so I can do a, what are they called? Drive-through pickup or curbside pickup. Let me spray this. I also got some cursor sandpaper that I didn't have before, and it was just getting really hard to do. But yeah, let's spray this. So this is our color that I went for. Of course, that has to happen. Okay, so let me turn it down. It is that green right here. It's called cooking apple green. I told him it was cooking green apple. Hopefully he figures it out. Number 32. And what I can do is, if they are able to color match it, he seemed very sure of himself that they could, but I don't know. I hope that they can. It's probably been about 10 minutes since I put the stripper, America's #1 stripper solution on my table, on my desk. So it's probably really annoying that I'm eating the whole time I'm filming this. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go get that stuff off and keep sanding. This is what the table looks like with the stripper. It is definitely peeling off, and I think it's just gonna be so much easier to get it sanded now. So I'm excited to start. Let's do it. Okay, so top is done. There's a couple of things that I have to do, but it's minor. And I'm starting to sand the bottom. So I'm not going to completely strip the bottom part because I'm going to paint it, but I do want to make sure that there's grip for the paint. So I'm just sanding it a little bit down so that it's all even, so when I do apply the paint, it looks nice. So excited. I hope the color comes out just like I wanted. I just got done sanding the top. I'm probably gonna do a very light sand, and the bottom I also did just enough sanding to where the paint that was kind of like piled on there came off. And I should be doing my painting tomorrow, and it'll be done, and I am super excited. But yeah, just an update. So I had already set up a school space dedicated for Greta, but I decided that it wasn't Greta enough. I just didn't like it. The desk that she was using was just not Greta. Greta deserves so much more than just an IKEA desk that I had done for her. I knew that it was temporary desk that, of course, like the IKEA one, wasn't gonna feel wholeheartedly that it was the one. But just a couple of days ago, we ran into this baby and I decided it was the perfect desk for me to just dive in and make it beautiful. It is the space that we did have before. It was a lot. We had done some shelving on the wall and some peg racks, and it was just a lot going on. So distracting. Greta needs a lot of silence for homeschooling, and she also just needs the least distractions that she can have. And I just wanted something minimal, classic, just beautiful, something that would just yell Greta, or just that had Greta's name on it all over it. And I think I was able to achieve that. And yeah, I'm just super, super excited about the way that it came out. And I will link everything that I got on the description below, where the knobs were, where the paint color, paint type. I'm sorry that I look like complete crap the whole time I was working on this, but I wasn't about to get ready just so I can sand a desk. Everything after sanding, and I mean everything, had dust. Even my camera tripod. I also wanted to while I was filming the close-ups of the end project, I wanted to speak at the same time so I didn't have to do a voiceover, but my camera is it's ginormous, it's heavy. It's hard for me to try to lift it and see where I'm not a multitasker, so see where I'm filming and vocalize what I'm trying to say is just too much. So there will be a little bit of a voiceover. I hope you guys don't mind. But yeah, I am super thrilled of how this turned out. So that was all for this flea market flip. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will definitely not be doing any more sanding for at least 3 months, but don't quote me on it because I changed my mind a lot. I might forget in a week or two, how annoying that was. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.